Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for the Mann-Whitney U Test. To test whether there are differences between two groups on some ordinal variable, the Mann-Whitney U Test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the independent samples t-test, but for ordinal dependent variables. You will need one categorical variable and one ordinal variable with multiple ranks in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. The first question, requesting a ranking of favorite types of shows, would be appropriate for the ordinal variable for our demonstration. To run the Mann-Whitney U Test for differences in VS Code, type in the following Julia code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Julia will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for all three ranks. Here are your test results. You would report these figures for those significant findings. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the Stat Tree module.